Welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Let's talk about the birds and the bees. Cucumber edition. Today we're working with the cucumbers that Samuel planted when he first started this year's garden. It took a long time to get them going, but man, we've got a lot of flowers. Let's go take a look at what we've got. So we're going to describe for you the difference between a male flower on a cucumber plant and a female flower on a cucumber plant. Here we have our what is this variety down there? Can you read that stick?
That is an early
fortune. All right. This is our. So here's a flower right here. This one right here. Can you tell me if that's a male flower or yeah?
That is a female flower.
Why?
Because it has the cucumber.
It has the cucumber, and if that gets fertilized, that cucumber will grow and bear seeds, and that's the whole point. Can you find us a male flower?
A male flower.
Let's see.
Let's see. Right here.
Yeah, there's one right there. There's a male flower because it does not have the cucumber behind it. So the pollen from that male flower needs to get into the female flowers. Let's show you how we're going to do that. All right, once again, right here, you can't see it very well, the leaves in the way. We have a female fruit, and we know it's a female fruit because you can see the cucumber beneath the flower. I'm going to take a male flower, one that does not have fruit behind it, and I'm going to peel the petals back, much to the dismay of my little ant friends in here who are working so hard to do my work for me. But I just don't trust them. I don't think they're doing a good job. I'll show you why I don't trust them in just a second. Now I have this piece of plant, a male flower that has pollen exposed, and I'm going to dab it into the female plant very carefully, dab it, and make sure that I get pollen in there. That is now a pollinated fruit. And that's how we do it. It's simple as that. It's just now you will have bugs pollinating your plants for you, but they don't always get all the flowers. Especially this year, we don't have a whole lot of bees. We're talking about birds and the bees here, but we don't have very many bees this year. We had a big swarm of them come through and stop temporarily in our yard as they looked for another hive, but I mean that doesn't help us. They're not working. And so some of our flowers not getting as fertilized and pollinated as we wish. Let me show you some. I have one that was successfully pollinated, and the fruit is now beginning to swell, and the flower's done its job, and so it's died off. That fruit should become a cucumber very soon. But right down here, the next node down, we have one that did not get pollinated, and you can see that that will certainly not become a cucumber. And so that is a wasted flower. That did not get successfully pollinated. Well, I have an abundance of male flowers on here, unfortunately. There's another female. We should fertilize. Oh, we already did that one. But that's how we're going to do it. We're going to go through on all my female flowers, make sure they get pollinated. Well, thanks for joining Sam and I tonight on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Just a short video this week, but an important one if you want to get a good harvest of cucumbers. That's how we fertilize our cucumbers. I'll end today's video with a look around our garden. Let you see what week 14 looks like in Zone 9. We're having a lush garden this year, and I couldn't be more pleased. I'm very thankful you've joined us. Please subscribe to our channel, like our new Instagram page, Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Follow us on Facebook, and most of all, comment and like and share our videos. We'd be grateful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Ah!